Okay, for your elk and red stag and big horned or antlered animals like this, a trick to make sure, especially this on this type of form where they're going to be towards the wall, to make sure that these antlers are going to clear your wall space. See? You're going to take your yardstick, keep it flush with the back of your form, and see this, now we're clear. We're going to make sure that it's the time after you get it mounted and up on, try to hang it on the wall is not when you want to find out this is a mistake you have made. So this is a trick, this is a way that you can test to make sure it is going to clear the wall. Okay, you see that? Just a good pointer to make sure you check your clearance before you finish it up and try to get it on a wall. As you can see, there are big things going on here at K&C Taxidermy, so make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications on everything that's going on here at K&C Taxidermy. We'll see you then.